Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your venue model supports Apple CarPlay and that your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port for wired CarPlay, or enable the car's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless pairing. You should unlock the iPhone, turn on Siri in settings, and watch for the CarPlay prompt on the phone. Accept it so the car can access apps. Once done, move to the head unit to initiate pairing or USB input. Now pair and configure. On the venue's infotainment screen, choose the CarPlay or phone projection source, and if wired, select the USB input you used. For wireless, initiate a Bluetooth search on the car and tap your iPhone when it appears, then confirm the pairing code on both screens. Allow contacts, notifications, and Siri access so maps, messages, and calls work. Finally, on the iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay to arrange app icons. This ensures your most used apps appear first. Finish by testing core functions. Open Maps, make a call, and play audio to confirm sound and microphone levels. If CarPlay doesn't appear, unplug and replug the cable, restart your iPhone, or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on. These fixes resolve most connection glitches. If the car shows an old device, forget it in your iPhone Bluetooth settings and repair. Finally, make sure the venue's infotainment firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can block CarPlay even when settings are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.